Can we make Shadow's quills in 2 minutes? He has 6 quills, so that's 12 pieces. Start with pieces 1 and put them together. Repeat that with piece 2. Quill 3 has an A and B side, match those up. This is also where the back of the ear goes on. And Quill 4. It also has an A and B side. Repeat so you have 2 of 3 and 4. What's your favourite Shadow game appearance? I love Shadow Generations, but I'm a sucker for Adventure 2. Now you have 6 quills and they need attaching. Start with the bottom of piece 1 and the top of piece 2. Sometimes you can put the quills inside each other to make sewing them easier. Now do the same for the bottom of piece 3 and the top of piece 4. Now the 3 and 4 pieces need attaching to the 1 and 2 pieces. It's a wibbly wobbly seam, but once you lay them out, it should be able to see where they match up. I love hand sewing, but it does take a long time. You should be able to see the roundness of the back of the head, and this will all start to match up with his face. Start at the top centre, then you can do the ears. There are marks for his cheeks and where his quills should meet his face. Vanity shot of some sexy seam work. Stuff him and you're done.